Hey guys, welcome back to Unwrapping Mystery channel. So basically, we are back to this thing which we actually unboxed it some time back. So actually, we found out that this thing is actually exceptionally okay. But if the reason I say exceptional because reason being this thing is Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So basically, at the time earlier we were talking about whether this channel is good and as a hobby is whether is it worth the money or not. Anyway, this thing costs about almost $270. You can actually get a better or actually a better grade Hang Long tanks. Otherwise, you may want to continue watching this video. So basically, we're talking about this video about how crappy the installations were, how plasticky it doesn't feel like a right ABS kind of material. So basically this material I found out is actually made of plastics, and then it's meant for toy grade rather than it's made built for its resilient and off the road on the track rather. Okay, so basically we're gonna show you demonstrate for you if you still intend to buy this tank for your children or your or just for play as a starter. Okay, this tank might be suitable for you, but bear in mind there are much more better tanks, much more affordable and much more really can turn into a hobby, okay, rather than you spend your money on a toy that has limitations on it. Especially when it comes to proportional, we're looking at the tanks. We make sure that tanks move in the right direction and the direction that you wish to. Okay, for everyone that knows RC, you will understand better. Fully proportional remote control is better off than a toy grade proportional. Okay, whereby a toy grade it will make a crappy sound. Second thing, it doesn't move the direction that you want to. Okay, so without further ado, let me switch on the tank, which is this bottom of the tank here. It's quite dark, so I might wanna on the light here. Okay, it's right here. Switch to the left hand side here. Okay, so the light will switch on there. At the top will blink. So if you watch my earlier videos, okay, so this is the transmitter itself. Okay, power up with six double batteries. Okay, this is the switch on button. It will actually hook up to this transmitter. Okay, it will keep on blinking them twice. So once you switch on this button, it will blink twice here, and as the transmitter will become opaque red color. Look at this, watch it. Correct, this one and this one. Okay, so let's go into the full details of the controls. Okay, so basically, as you understand, toy grade, it moves in a funny direction. So if one direction, it moves like in a rotational direction. Okay, look at that. Okay, look at that. So how it feels like, quite crappy. Only way I can move forward is just pressing throttle up and down together, which is crappy. It's supposed to be when you want to understand or study Hang Long or other motor RC, much more hobby RC. With the simple control button, you can actually move forward. With the left and right direction will be the turret moving left and right. Okay, so without further ado, okay, this is the tank itself. It comes with a short turret. Normally Leopard tanks, the turret is much more longer. Okay, so this is actually the sensor. Okay, if I have to zoom in there to the sensor, take a closer look. Okay, so basically this thing can rotate. Okay, not sure for what reason. If just want to take it that if we were to fire this, it come out live. Okay, it can't move this thing. I can actually just rotate by my own hand. Yeah, so I just zoom out for you again. Yeah, so take a look. I have to press this button. Sometimes you notice the turret is actually moving up and down. I have to hold. Turret will go down. But however, you can also you need to press that button to make sure that you engage the turret up, moving up and down. You can also press this turret. Sorry, this button. So actually the opposite direction. Okay? Opposite direction of the turret moving up and down. Same thing, it's just vice versa. Okay, this is firing button. Firing button on the, what do you call it, L3, L4 or what? L3. Okay, the tank keep on reversing by itself. Okay. Okay, that demonstration again. It will fire. That it will actually fire BB bullets here. Okay. Notice fire BB bullet here. Let's take a look at the scope. It also blinks a flash light. Okay. So next thing is that rotate left and right here. Rotate left and right here. Left. Rotate right. Okay, so other than that, okay, I think so. Just now I discovered something. What is it? I discovered that I can actually move the turret. Move the turret up and down. Let me see if I can find. So if you notice that to fire you can fire multiple bullets with the press of one button. Yeah, that's the way it is. Yep. How to do that? Yeah, basically it's just it comes with the backlight if you were to move it, kind of thing. See, it has this directional right. Yeah. Other than that, it's quite huge, but doesn't mean it's huge. It's effective. Okay. See how the whole table vibrates. Yeah, that's how it is. So if you think so, you want to get this kind of thing, don't show what this is. Okay, take care for watching. Bye bye.